Hakaway na kikandon ban perking ka jingelang pat ba lakhang ban penlong ya kinu ki jingelang pat ba la kilong hakanogo nogo rukamru. Laj no ki jingle buram khaddu ya ki balayam bat ki jinge tho som kurim ki baladap yo jingbet nak sarkar harengkat ki jingbot perking ya ki kandon ka tanat ka kot ka khia kata bat om tam ya ka lai phongot ka jingbon ki brio.
What is permitted is funerals and weddings subject to a ceiling of only 30 guests. So all applications which have come to us prior to this period as well, we have given an order that permission for all other types of gatherings has been revoked, and only weddings which have already been applied for subject to the ceiling of 30 persons and funerals.